Good morning and welcome children to your English language class. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter from your English language book, that is Joyful Learning. That is chapter 15 and the name of the chapter is Interjections. Now please look at the board, children, as I read these sentences out for you. Hooray, we have won the match. Alas, she has failed again. Bravo, well done. What does these words hooray, alas and bravo express? These words express joy, grief and praise respectively. Hooray expresses joy, alas expresses grief and praise, bravo expresses praise. What are these words, hooray, alas and bravo? These words are called interjections. An interjection is a word which expresses a sudden feeling or a strong emotion. You have to keep two things in mind, children. Each introduction is followed by an exclamation mark, and the word after an introduction begins with a capital letter. Now look at the board, children. I have written a few interjections and the feelings expressed by these interjections. I am going to read it out for you. Hi, it expresses the feeling of greetings. Hello, it expresses welcome and greetings. Look out, it expresses warning. What expresses surprise or wonder. Cheers, it expresses sharing. Hush is a sign for keeping quiet and attention. Good luck, it expresses good wishes. Alas, it expresses grief. Ouch, it expresses pain and discomfort. Of course, it expresses agreement. Ha ha, it expresses amusement. Phew, it expresses relief. Good gracious, it expresses surprise, dismay or alarm. Ha, it expresses pay attention and listen. There are a few more in your book, children. Please go through them. Please look at these examples which I have written on the whiteboard and pay attention. I missed the sight. Oh, what a beautiful scene. Hello, how are you doing? Hush, the baby is sleeping. All these words, children, are, oh, hello and hush are interjections. You must have noticed that there is an exclamation mark after each interjection and then we start the sentence with a capital letter. Now let's do exercise 1 on page number 94. Here we are going to underline the interjections and put an exclamation mark and capital letters wherever necessary. Well done, you have played well. So we are going to write this as well done. We are going to put an exclamation mark and then we are going to start the sentence with a capital letter. And they have told us to underline the interjections. So we are going to underline this interjection. Well done is the interjection here. Number 2. Wow, this is great. So we are going to write wow. This is an interjection. We are going to put an exclamation mark. We are going to underline this interjection. And then we are going to start the sentence with a capital letter. Number 3, hello, how are you doing? So we are going to put an exclamation mark after this interjection. We are going to underline it and then we are going to start it with a capital letter. And how are you doing? We are going to put a question mark because it's asking. It is an interrogative sentence also. Number 4, ha, the bell is ringing. So we are going to write this interjection. We are going to underline it. We are going to put an exclamation mark, and then we are going to start it with a capital letter. Hark, the bell is ringing. Number 5, that is the last one. Alas, her mother is no more. We are going to write this interjection. We are going to underline it. We are going to put an exclamation mark, and then we are going to start it with a capital letter. Her starts with a capital letter. Her mother is no more. I hope it's clear, children. Now let's do exercise 3 on page number 95. Replace each interjection with a suitable noun. 1. Please pay attention on the board, children. Number 1. Keep it up. Here, is an expression of regret. So it doesn't go with keep it up. What we are going to write? Bravo, keep it up. Number 2, hooray, she's dead. Now again, the expression hooray doesn't go when somebody is dead. So we have to replace the interjection hooray with alas. Because alas expresses grief. Number 3, well done, the baby will get up. Again, the interjection well done doesn't go with the baby will get up. So we are going to replace it by hush. The baby because hush is an expression that states to be quiet. Number 4, alas, we have won the match. Again, alas is an expression that is an interjection that expresses grief. So it doesn't go with the sentence we have won the match. So we are going to write hooray, we have won the match. Number 5, hello, what a scene. Hello is an interjection that expresses greetings and welcome. So it doesn't go with the sentence what a scene. We're going to write wow, what a scene. Now the last one, that is number 6, hush, how are you? Hush is an expression, is an interjection that expresses to be when you want somebody to be quiet. So it doesn't go with the sentence how are you. So we can write, in place of this we can write hello, how are you? And we can also write hi, how are you? Okay? I hope this is clear to you, children. Now let us do exercise 2 on page number 94. Add suitable interjections to these sentences. Dash, I ran first in my class. Hooray, I ran first in my class. After the interjection, we are supposed to put an exclamation mark. Number 2, everybody is taking rest. Shh or hush. Anything you can write. Or hush. Everybody is taking rest. Number 3, you have done well. So what you're going to write? Bravo. You have done well. Number 4, dash, what a surprise. So what we are going to write here? Wow. What a surprise. Number 5, she has failed to achieve anything. Alas, she has failed to achieve anything. Because alas expresses grief. Number 6, dash, it burned my hand. What are we going to write here? Ouch. It expresses discomfort or hurt. Ouch, it burned my hand. Number 7, this is great. Wow, this is great. Number 8, go away. Ugh, go away. You can say because it expresses dislike. Number 9, you may fall down. Ha, you may fall down because it expresses listen or pay attention. Now the last one, that is number 10, I agree to your proposal. So we can write here, of course. Of course, I agree to your proposal, because of course is an interjection that expresses agreement. I hope this is clear to children. So I want you to go through this chapter very nicely. Go through the video 2 to 3 times and please complete your assignment. Take care of yourself, children. Stay home. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice time.